Good day, everyone. My name is Ren Chun Pui. Today, I will talk about superconductors. My main point is simple. Superconductors are very important for quantum computers. They help us build qubits. A qubit is the base unit of a quantum computer. Superconductivity was first found in 1911. Hay Honest found that mercury had zero resistance. Zero resistance means electricity can flow without energy loss. This was a very special discovery. It showed that some materials can have strange quantum behavior. This is the beginning of superconductivity research. A superconductor is not only a material with zero resistance, it also has the Messier effect. The Messier effect means the material pulls magnetic field away. This shows that superconductivity is not normal electricity. It is a special quantum state. This is important because quantum computers also need quantum state. Superconductors have limits. One limit is the critical magnetic field. If the magnetic field is too strong, superconductivity can stop. So, superconductors are powerful, but also sensitive. Quantum computers are also sensitive. Heat, noise, and outside disturbance can damage the qubits. This is called decoherence. So we need a very stable system. Type 2 superconductors are useful. They can work with stronger magnetic fields. Because of this, they can be used in real technology. For example, they can be used in strong magnets. They can also be used in advanced computing. In quantum computing, superconductors are used to make circuits. Those circuits can work like artificial atoms. BCS theory explains superconductivity. At very low temperature, two electrons can join together. This pair is called a Cooper pair. Many Cooper pairs move together. They move in the same quantum state. Because they move together, they do not lose energy easily. This is why superconductors can have zero resistance. A Josephson junction has two superconductors. There is a very thin insulator between them. Normally, an insulator blocks electricity. But in quantum physics, Cooper pairs can pass through it. This is called quantum tunneling. This effect allows us to make superconducting qubits. So the Josephson junction is a key part of many quantum computers. Quantum computers use qubits. A normal computer uses 0 and 1, but a qubit can be in more than one stage. This is called superposition. Superconductors help us control this quantum stage. Companies like IBM and Google use superconducting qubits. Those qubits need very low temperature. This is because heat can destroy the quantum stage. So Superconductivity is very important for quantum computing. Now, superconductors are already used in quantum computers, but the cooling system is very expensive. It also makes the machine very large. In the future, if room temperature superconductors become real, quantum computers may become easier to build. They may become cheaper. They may become more powerful. So, superconductors are not only materials for saving energy, they are also a foundation for future quantum computers. To conclude, superconductors are important because they allow special quantum behavior. Cooper pairs help electricity move without resistance. The Josephson junction helps us to build qubits. Because of this, superconductors are a key technology for quantum computer. Thank you.